In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Audible desktop bookmarks. We'll walk through how to find an audiobook on the Audible website, decide whether you want it now or later, and keep track of it using the built-in wish list and library, which work like bookmarks on desktop. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Audible homepage. Make sure you're on the desktop site so the layout matches what you see here. On the left side of the page, hover your mouse over the Browse area. This opens up a panel of categories and discovery options, which is great when you're not sure exactly what you want and you'd like to explore. From that menu, click on Audiobooks. This takes you to the main audiobook section where you'll see featured titles and curated lists to help you get inspired. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar on this page. Type in a title, author, narrator, or even a keyword. As results load, you'll notice options to refine what you see so you can quickly zero in on the kind of book you're after. Browsing first and then searching is a nice 1-2 approach if you're exploring new genres. When you spot a title that looks promising, click on it to open its details page. Here you can read the description, check ratings and reviews, and confirm the length. You'll often see a short audio sample available too, which is handy for getting a feel for the narrator and pacing before committing. Now you have two simple choices. If you're ready to move forward, click Add to Cart to purchase it during your current session. If you're just collecting options or want to circle back later, click Add to Wish List. Think of the wish list as your personal bookmark shelf. It keeps the title saved and easy to retrieve the next time you're on Audible without cluttering your cart. When you're done reviewing the title, close that page or tab. From the top navigation, go to your library to see audiobooks you already own, organized and ready to play, or switch to your wish list to find everything you've saved for later. This is where the bookmarking aspect really shines. The wish list holds all those maybe titles in one place, so you don't have to remember what you were considering. From there, you can open a title again, move it to your cart when you're ready, and continue at your own pace. And that's it. Browse, search, choose, save to your wish list as a bookmark, and return via the library or wish list tabs whenever you're ready.